Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. last in last video, I have completed ecology. Today, I'll start geomorphology. It's a part of physical geography. Okay, then let's start. Plates. What is plates? Play a solid slab made of lithosphere plate tectonic changes where boundary slides or glides on a asthenosphere due to convectional current. Plates. Plates are solid lithosphere block known as plate. The earth crust and the mantle is broken and divided into several plates, and some of these plates are example of major and some other are minor plates. Plates can be made of oceanic crust, oceanic plate, continental crust, continental plate, and both oceanic and continental plate. Most of the plates are example of mixture of both except Pacific plate which is totally an oceanic plate. The Eurasian plate is largely continental plate. The major plate in the world are North American mix of ocean and continental, South American plate, Pacific plate, African plate, Eurasian plate, Indo-Australian plate. The minor plate, Nazca plate and is Cocos plate associated with St. Andreas fault system, Junda Fuca plate, Gorda, Yellowstone National Park, Arabian plate, Booz fault system, Philippines plate, Burma plate, interaction of Indian plate and Burmese plate was responsible for 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. The movement of the plate and of the plates, its effect and resultant outcome is known as plate tectonics. This outcome is seen majority at the boundary, and there are three types of boundary and margins: convergent and destructive plate margin, divergent and constructive plate margin, transform or conservative plate margin. Convergent or destructive plate margin. Ocean continental convergence, most common type. Continental convergence. Ocean convergence. Suppose this is a picture of earth crust, and this is magma asthenosphere, continental plate, the oceanic plates, volcano subduction zone. This is the most common type of collision which occurs due to the interaction of oceanic plate and the continental plate. The collision of these two plates causes formation of the sediment over the period of time. The sediments are folded or wrapped to give rise to the highest mountain known as fold mountains. Generally, continent-ocean collision gives rise to Cordillera system, long mountain chain parallel to each other. Following process are associated with continent oceanic collision. Fold mountains are continental arcs. Violent volcanic eruption. This is because denser plate is subduct pulled in the mantle below the lighter plate. If it is go deeper, it's melt and magma increasing the pressure which is released in the form of volcanic eruption. The zone of subduction. When I of zone are the deepest point of earth is known as trenches. The movement of plates, collision and the rise of magma causes earthquakes. Hence, all the plate boundaries are prone to earthquake. Example: Rockies collision of Pacific Juan de Fuca plate with Northern American plate. Andes collision due to Nazca plate with South America. Alps collision of Eurasian plate and African plate. Circum-Pacific plate, Pacific ring or fire. Asian plate, North American plate, South American plate, Mount Krakatoa volcanic, Pacific Indo-Australian plate. Convergent plate on the Pacific plate is given below, or subducting Indo-Australian plate, Asian plate, North and South American plate, minor Philippines plate, mid-continent plate except Himalaya. Explain the formation of Alps. Alps mountain. It explains the formation of Alps, some of the volcanoes, region of Alps are Mount Etna, Mount Vesuvius, Mount Stromboli are all are in Italy. Lighthouse of the Mediterranean Sea, most western port. Rockies, North America. Okay, I'll end this videos here only, and I'll explain continent collision tomorrow. And if you like my videos, and if you will get any information from my videos, then please like, share, and subscribe my videos. And I will meet you tomorrow. Thank you.